Hi friends, I am Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. So today I'll again discuss one of the very important polycrest remedy in relation to skin complaints. Hopefully you must have seen my previous videos on lot of polycrest and skin symptoms. I always say that polycrest has been proved at length. So understand that remedy in the whole aspect, right from the head to toe, so that you do not miss symptom of that remedy. Pulsatilla, why? Because pulsatilla we have seen in a lot of other complaints, like we have mind symptoms, we have symptoms of upper tract and all, but skin symptoms sometimes we fail to understand of pulsatilla. The first symptom that you should remember in pulsatilla is the abscess are hard and hard to mature. So in order to mature that abscess, you can think about pulsatilla. Of course, you have to think in comparative mathematics, like you think about Muxol, you think about Hiparsalf, you think about lachesis, you think about arsenic, belladonna. In these remedies also we have the same symptom, abscess hard to mature. So give this remedy. Don't always think about the remedies like silicia or Hiparsalf or sulfur, but they are there, but this pulsatilla is also very important in this complaint. Second, cicatrices. As I've already told you, the remedies like petroleum and sulfur and graphitis. Cicatrices, pulsatilla is a very important remedy, and the very most important symptom of pulsatilla cicatrices is painful on touch. You touch it and the patient's ouch. That is pulsatilla. Cicatrices painful to touch. Do compare this one of the very interesting remedy, important remedy, and that is Hiparsalf. Next symptom, the cracks. As we already have taken the cracks of petroleum, the cracks of kali carb and other remedies, cracks in pulsatilla is again very important. The cracks and fissures are very deep and bloody. Very deep and bloody. And whenever we see a crack deep and bloody, we do think about petroleum first, nitric acid or sulfur or mercury. But of course they are there. But what I mean to say, pulsatilla is also there. Think about pulsatilla in these comparative remedies like petroleum, nitric acid, sulfur and mercurol. Pulsatilla is also there. So don't miss out pulsatilla on this complaint. Next is urticaria. The patient says, हिंदी the patient says, जब भी नहाता हूँ ना तो मेरे को बदन में बहुत खुजली होना शुरू हो जाती है. That is pulsatilla. Urticaria after bathing. Urticaria after bathing. A very important symptom of pulsatilla. Again, do compare this remedy with Bovista, with sulfur, with lachesis. And you see how close is the symptoms of pulsatilla with these remedies, and that's why sometimes what happens, we think about the specifics for skin and we forget pulsatilla. The modality of pulsatilla in urticaria is very important. That is eruptions like urticaria, bathing with cold water ameliorates, and the patient immediately comes, जब भी मैं ठंडे पानी से नहाता हूँ ना मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and that is pulsatilla. So bathing with cold water ameliorates. That's a very important symptom of urticaria of pulsatilla. And sometimes the patient comes and says, no, मुझे बहुत उदासी है, मैं बहुत भावुक हो गया था, I have been emotionally very traumatized, and because of that, from that day I have got a lot of itching and urticaria, and that is, my friends, pulsatilla. Such an important symptom of pulsatilla that eruptions, urticaria from emotions. Think about pulsatilla, think about Bovista, and think about one more remedy which is very rare, but I have used that remedy in my practice with good results, and that is anacardium. Don't forget anacardium also with pulsatilla and Bovista. Of course, Bovista is a very important remedy that for skin and urticaria, which we normally prescribe and which has almost all the symptoms of urticaria. But pulsatilla, my friend, don't forget. Again, if you see in pulsatilla, we have a lot of symptom in relation to female menses problem and all. So in relation to that also, urticaria becomes important. A lady comes and tells you, डॉक्टर साहब मेरा पीरियड्स था 3 दिन पहले बट नहीं आया, बट मेरे को बहुत खुजली आ रही बॉडी में, अर्टिकेरिया हो गया. So urticaria whenever menses are delayed or urticaria from delayed menses, think about pulsatilla, and that will never give you a result like pulsatilla. Such an important remedy, it will never fail, I mean to say. Pulsatilla has never failed when I have used this symptom to prescribe in urticaria. Eruptions like urticaria, when the menses are delayed or from delayed menses, pulsatilla is a very important remedy. And of course, very important symptom, the patient comes home and tells, जब भी मैं कपड़े उतारता हूँ ऐसी लाल लाल चट्टे पूरी खुजली आती बॉडी में. In relation to urticaria, the patient says urticaria from undressing, that is pulsatilla. Other symptom is there in Kalias like itching after undressing is something different. But urticaria, aggravation from undressing, think about pulsatilla. Very short symptom of pulsatilla skin, very important symptom which I have seen in my practice, but they have given me very good results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.